What's going on, everyone? This is Dom and welcome to my ultimate gaming PC desk setup sponsored by Philips Hue. The whole thing is pretty minimal but packs a few key components that makes gaming such an amazing experience here. Obviously, we have my freshly built gaming PC at the heart of this setup, which you can find a full parts list for linked below, but essentially this packs an Intel 9900K, which is overclocked at a modest 4.8 GHz, and I have that cooled by Corsair's H100i RGB Platinum AIO. We also have an NVIDIA RTX 2080 Ti for the best gaming experience possible, and 32 gigabytes of Corsair's Vengeance RGB Pro RAM. Now, all of this is packed inside of Gigabyte's Z390 AORUS Pro Wi-Fi gaming motherboard and built inside of NZXT's H500 mid-tower case with an underglow kit attached. It's a pretty clean and minimal PC build, but it packs some serious power for gaming and productivity. Of course, the desk here has style but sticks with that minimal theme as well, and I picked it all up from IKEA, which you can find links for below. The monitor here is one of my favorites, being the HP OMEN 32-inch Quad HD gaming monitor, and I'm using the Razer Huntsman Elite keyboard and the Mamba Elite gaming mouse, both of which sit on a SteelSeries QCK Prism RGB gaming mousepad. As for lighting, using Philips Hue for a desk setup has always been my preference, but they were nice enough to sponsor the channel and hook me up with some new goodies. On the left side, we have the Philips Hue Sign table lamp, which has a very slick and modern look, but casts some vivid colors onto the wall. And of course, on the right hand side of the desk, we have the Hue Sign floor lamp as well, which has the same design, just a little bit bigger. Now, behind the monitor, I have the Philips Hue Play light bar, which fits perfectly there and also casts some pretty amazing color on the wall behind the monitor. And of course, no desk setup is complete without a Hue light strip. Now, these colorful lights are cool and all, but the fact that they can use the Hue Sync app and sync up with the lights and colors with whatever is displayed on your monitor is next level awesome. Using defined entertainment zones, you can have Hue sync up with your gaming and videos. It's a very immersive experience when playing games. I mean, you really get lost in the whole thing, while the Hue lights actively change to match the colors in any game that you're playing. Of course, you can always use the Hue app to manually adjust the colors as well, and that works pretty good to set up scenes and specific colors on your own. But wow, the Hue Sync app for gaming or videos is pretty awesome, and you can even go in depth to fine-tune the settings to make the most out of the whole experience here. Now, speaking of gaming, this PC definitely does a great job at it, with frame rates around 130 frames per second for Shadow of the Tomb Raider on Ultra at a 1440p resolution and 160 frames per second in Overwatch on Epic settings at the same resolution. Now, for Geekbench, we have a single core score of 6,027 and a multi-core score of 31,941, and moving along to Cinebench, we have a CB score of 2,039. So overall, this is a pretty beastly gaming PC, and I'm absolutely in love with the whole setup here, including the Philips Hue lights. It all looks amazing, but I want to know what you think about this whole thing. Do you dig the colorful yet minimal gaming setup? Drop your thoughts below, and be sure to leave this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this in the future, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when they drop. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. This is Dom, and I'll catch you in the next video.